YouTube, what is up, you guys? Good morning, man. How's everyone doing out there, man? All right, hope everyone's doing good, staying safe. Back at it here again, man. So today, as you can see, we're doing the calipers, man. So I'm not going to take you through the whole step of what I'm doing, but just kind of wanted to show you. I have about, I don't know, 2-3 other videos of, you know, when I painted the edge, the calipers on the edge and the wheels, and also on the Mustang, and even on my Fusion. So it's pretty much exactly the same process, the same steps. So, but I just wanted to, you know, show you how I'm doing the Explorer here. So if you're interested in doing the calipers and doing all this stuff, take a look at my videos from the Edge or from the Mustang. Recently did them within a year ago. So, but yeah, so just got the first coat of the primer on here. Got my paint here ready to go. So got the first coat done. Just to kind of give you a quick shot here. It takes quite a while to do this, man. Mostly the prep work. So the prep work is where all the time goes, because painting is easy, right? You just spray on and you're done, right? But yeah, just prepping everything and, you know, putting the car up and all that stuff, that's what takes time. So anyway, stay tuned, you guys, and I'll show you what it looks like, man. All right, you guys, quick update here. So yeah, it's been taking me all day, man. So we got 4 coats of everything. Primer, 4 coats of primer, 4 coats of paint, and just finished the last coat, 4th coat of clear coat. So these are looking awesome, man. Super smooth. Really nice, you guys. It's amazing what you can do at home. Yeah. Just take it to the other side really quick. There you go. Bam. And the front, you can see how nice and glossy it is with that clear coat. Yeah, and you know what? Maybe one thing I should point out is this time I went with high temperature engine stuff. So this is the clear coat here. And even with the paint, I went with the engine paint as well. Got this one from Home Depot, automotive primer filler, so that way it kind of smooths out all the, you know, rough edges and stuff. So yeah, last one. So I'm just gonna wait for this to dry. This is the 4th coat, clear coat. So after that, you can see I got the spacers there. So I'll throw the spacers on as soon as I remove all this stuff in about 20 minutes or so. I'll put the spacers on and then put the tires back on. So stay tuned, you guys. We're almost there. All right, you guys. So we got all the stuff off, as you can see, on all 4 corners. Man, yeah, it looks really, really nice, you guys. As you can see, I got the spacers on here. Got the next box here. Don't forget your anti-seize. So I'll show you what these guys look like really quick. Very nice, hub centric, as you can see. The center part there, 1 inch, 1 millimeter. So with that, just wanted to show you really quick. You see the front. And these brakes are huge, man. Yeah, and all that little stuff there, that's sticky stuff from the tape that I used. The tape was on there for quite a while, obviously, so no biggie. So stay tuned, you guys. As soon as I'm done all 4s and the tires back on, I'll show you what it looks like. All right, you guys. So we got it done, man. The tires back on. You can see all the junk on the floor. But yeah, it's really hard to tell with these rims, and that's one of the reasons why I don't like these rims, because yeah, it's really hard to see inside. You know, when it's standing still, you can see the red inside, but obviously when you're driving, yeah, you'll be able to see it. But we got the new ones coming in, but you can see the red calipers inside. We got the spacers on. You can see the wheel right up with the fender, so that's perfect. This gives it a nice wide stance. You see the front tire here. right up with the wheel well there, you can see. Other side. Right with the wheel well. Boom, there it is. Yeah, so that's it, you guys. A whole day's work. So stay tuned. Yeah, for next week I'll be receiving the new wheels. Gonna paint them black, so and you'll be able to see them, you know, the red calipers with the other wheels much better than these guys. So we're gonna sell these. So cool. With that, you guys, that's pretty much it. All right, stay tuned, man, for the next one, you guys. Stay safe. Peace.